Our 3-burner Chinese Wok Range. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a total of at least 69.25 inches. And a depth, 39.25 inches. Overall height, we have at least 59.5 inches. That's counting the legs to the very top of the splash. Included will be 3 separate burners, 16-inch, 13-inch, and a 16-inch for the last. Each one will include the jet burners inside and can be operated separately or together to turn of the foot pedal beneath each burner. Included will be the waste tray, along with the 3 separate trays underneath each burner. So the left, center, and right trays are included. Coming to the top will be the 2 handlebars, along with the swivel head faucets for the left and right. The measurements for each spout, we have at least 14 inches. And each faucet will coincide with the right, center, and the left wok range burner. So the 2 faucets can swivel back and forth and can coincide with the burners beneath. Coming to the bottom will be the information regarding specifications for this Chinese wok, BTUs, along with the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.